So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now once we're here, you want to click on action on the top and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then once you complete both of these steps, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to update every single USB that we have. So you just want to right click on the first one that comes up and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now we're going to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. You want to install the driver that you think is most applicable to your USB. You want to click right here and then click on next. You want to install that and then click on close. You want to repeat what I just showed you for every single USB that comes up here. You can replay the video to see what I did. And now once you update all of your USB drivers, you just want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.